So if you are 40 or over 40, the exercises that I'm going to show you for your lower body will help with age-related stiffness, weakness, and loss of balance. And you guys, they truly do make a difference. Our first exercise is the squat. The squat is one of the best all-around leg exercises. It strengthens your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, and it's considered to be the foundation of your lower body strength. It supports better balance and stability for daily movements like sitting and standing, and it helps maintain bone density in the hips and legs, which becomes even more important as we get older. Step and squat. This combo move works strength and coordination. It engages your glutes, thighs, and calves all together. It boosts heart rate slightly, giving you a touch of cardio while building muscle. And it mimics real-life movements, stepping, bending, and reaching, helping you move more confidently day to day. Let's work that left glute. This isolates and strengthens your glute muscles, which are key for hip support. It improves posture and reduces lower back strain, and strong glutes help protect your knees and improve walking and stair climbing power. Now let's switch to the other side to keep things balanced. Strengthening both sides evenly helps correct muscle imbalances. It improves hip alignment and stability, and it keeps your stride strong and steady, which means fewer trips and stumbles. The left lateral lift targets the outer thigh and hip. It strengthens the hip abductors, key muscles for balance and side-to-side movement. It supports joint stability in the hips and knees, and it helps tone the outer thighs for lean, sculpted legs. Now let's switch to the right lateral lift. This keeps your hip muscles strong and flexible. It improves mobility, especially when stepping sideways or turning, and it supports better posture and balance in every step you take. One of the overlooked exercises is the calf raises. Calf raises strengthen the lower leg and ankles. They improve circulation and help prevent leg cramps. And strong calves mean better push-off power when you walk, climb stairs, or rise onto your toes. So let's not forget these calves. The right-left quad lift. This move targets the front of your thighs, which are called the quadriceps. It builds knee stability and helps protect the joints. It improves your ability to stand from a chair or go upstairs with ease. And it tones and firms the thighs, giving your legs that strong, defined look. The crab walk is definitely fun, but it is a full leg burner. It strengthens your glutes, thighs, and hips all at once. It challenges your coordination and balance, keeping your body sharp. And it helps with joint stability and mobility for better overall movement. And as you can see in my crab walk, I am simulating us carrying buckets full of water to keep us steady in balance. The inner thigh pulse. These target the adductors, the muscles that stabilize your hips and your knees. They improve balance and coordination, and they tone those inner thighs, helping your legs feel strong and supported. Every one of these moves builds strength, balance, and confidence. The things that help us stay active, independent, and vibrant as we age. Do these regularly and you'll feel the difference, not just in your legs, but in how you move through your day.
it off.